Hello boys and girls, this is day 3 of our Read Writing Phonics and we are carrying on with set 2 sounds today. Okay, let's have a little practice of our set 2 sounds and see if we can spot the sound we're learning this week. Are we ready? That's right, that's our sound this week. Oi! Toy for a boy. Oi! Excellent job, well done you. So let's have a little look at some words that we have been learning. Okay, oh, not these ones. Are we ready? We're going to do Fred in our head with these words, okay? And we're going to see if we can do them quite fast. Are we ready? Fred in your head. Sport. Fred in your head. Flarg. Flarg? What a lot of nonsense. Fred in your head. Star. Fred in your head. Pool. Fred in your head. High. Fred in your head. Fair. Fred in your head. Mum. Mum? What a lot of nonsense. Fred in your head. Zoo. Fred in your head. Spoon. Fred in your head. Food. Fred in your head. Layer. Fred in your head. Hair. Excellent job, well done you. Now, let's have a little look at some of our oi words. Now, let's remind ourselves of the oi sound. Oi sound, and it's an o and a y makes the oi sound. And it's toy for a boy is our rhyme. So let's pop that up there. Are we ready? Special friends. Fred talk. Boy. Special friends. Fred talk. Toy. Special friends. Fred talk. Enjoy. Excellent. Okay, so let's write some of these words and we're going to be doing hold a sentence today as well. So I'm just going to take this off so that we've got space for hold our sentence. Okay, right. Our first word we're going to write today is boy. Boy. How many Fred fingers do we need for the word boy? 2. Are we ready to pinch for boy? Oi. Your turn. Boy. Boy. Good. Can you write the word boy? And can you remember to underline your special friend sound? Good. So what comes first in boy? Bear. Oi. And how do I write the oi sound? Oh. Yeah. Bear. Oi. Boy. Tick if you got the bear. Tick if you got the oi. Boy. Okay, the next word we're going to write is enjoy. Enjoy. How many Fred fingers do we need for the word enjoy? It's 4. Are we ready to pinch for enjoy? E, N, J, O. Your turn. Enjoy. Enjoy. Good. Can you write the word enjoy? Remember and underline that special friend sound. Good. So what comes first in enjoy? E, N, J. Remember, it's just a dot, not a big circle. Oi. E, N, J, oi. Enjoy. Tick if you got the E, tick if you got the N, tick if you got the J, tick if you got the oi. Enjoy. Good job. So today we have story number 28 and it's an ant on my hand. And you can have a practice at these speed sounds. Well, know all these speed sounds, easy peasy. And then practicing these words here and a red word here. So I am going to read you the story and you're going to practice reading the story as well. Are we ready? An ant on my hand. Red jam on my lips. A drip on my chin. A belt on my hips. So the jam, he's had red jam around his lips. And a drip has went onto his chin. A drip of jam. What is on his hand? Can you have a think? And what is on his lips? So our hold a sentence today has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words today. So a drip is on my chin. A drip is on my chin. A drip is on my chin. Your turn to say it. A drip is on my chin. A drip is on my chin. You say it. So, watch Miss Hunter write it first. What was the first word? A drip, drip, da. What comes next? Ip. A drip is on my. Now red word my. How do we spell my? Yeah, that's a red word there. My chin. Full stop. A drip is on my chin. Excellent. So can you now write that sentence? And remember and think about your red word my. My. A drip is on my chin. A drip is on my chin. A drip is on my chin. Good job. So what comes first in the sentence? A, finger space, drip. How do we spell drip? D, p. Drip is on my. Now, how do we spell my? That's our tricky red word. Yeah. My chin. And we're going to underline that special friend sound. And what comes at the end of a sentence? Full stop. Good job. A drip is on my chin. So tick if you got a, tick if you got drip, tick if you got is, tick if you got on, tick if you got my, and tick if you got chin. A drip is on my chin. Fabulous job today. Now don't forget to have a little practice of the story. Miss Hunter has also put up the 4 pictures of the word for you to match the word to the pictures, okay? And you can have a go at that tomorrow. Excellent job today, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.